off. Here we go. Come on. First thing, get out of the dock.
They're going first.
I hear a lot of shouting and not enough paddling. Paddle more. Paddle more. Royal Navy's only, no, yeah, one person, 2, 4 people are now paddling. The Titanic is doing well. Mario are just trying to straighten out, they got it. After that shaky start, the Navy are looking good, I have to say. The turn will tell everything. Come on, Mario! The Titanic looks great. Come on, Titanic, come on! Don't forget, when they turn, I want a nice big cheer from the crowd, okay? Darren's taking over the commentary, don't worry. And the wow, well done, Titanic, to the Ark Royal. Ooh.
Mario's off course.
Mario's just slightly going off to the right. Head to the left, Mario, go left. Go left, that's it, go straight there. Straight to the... Come on, Titanic. Yeah, looks like it. The general consensus, the Titanic is going to leak. And I don't mean a security leak. Come on, Mario, come on, Titanic. Ark Royal. Oh, they're going to crash. All they're going to do is touch that end part there, and they are in for the win. Yeah. Well done to the Sea Cadets, Air Cadets, my apologies. Number 2, Overseas Air Cadets, Celine, Jack, Annie and Stefan in that boat. Mario's going round the buoy. This could be a head-on. Oh my word, we're going to get a collision. Oh, Titanic. Come on, Titanic. Oh my word, here we go. There's going to be a fight. There's going to be a collision. There's a clash of paddles. Oh my, yeah. They've just hit the iceberg, somebody told me. He's got a cocktail with some ice in it. Come on, Mario! Come on, Titanic!
Very tired now.
He's trying to pedal backwards there. He's turning around the buoy. Come on, Mario, push it out. Come on, give him a cheer. Come on. This is going to be a pretty good race. Oh, Mario, go further right, go left. Oh, look at that adjustment, everything. The Titanic are catching up. The Titanic are catching up. This could be a 1, 2, 3 out, 1, 2, 3 back. Come on, Mario, go right, go left. Sorry, go port. Come on, Mario, push.
They're knackered.
No. Oh, this is tight. This is so tight. All they're going to do is hit the dock, come on. They're looking tired. They are looking very tired, these kids. Come on, you can do it. Looking good, come on. Oh my word. They're still smiling while they're shouting, that's good. Come on, Mario. Come on, Titanic. Come on, there's a race on here. Titanic look like they may go in. Oh, it's getting front heavy over there. Mario are about to crash into the dock. Come on, Titanic, nearly there. And I think Team Mario are going, that's a bust. Titanic almost in. Don't forget the world's loudest cheer. Louder than the last one. Good catchy. Ooh. And yes, Titanic in with the skin. Mario's about to go over, I think. They're now pedaling sideways. Sorry, paddling, not pedaling. Come on, Mario, nearly there. Come on. That's George, John, Ryan and Ian. Come on, guys. So close, so near, and yet so far.